Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into the exciting world of time and money. Have you ever wondered how to tell time like a pro or count your coins in a snap? Well, you're in the right place. We learn all about clocks, schedules, and even how to make sense of those tricky bills and coins. So grab your favorite snack and let's join in. This is the lesson target. At the end of this video, you will be able to tell both analog and digital time to 5 minutes and solve word problems using money. Let's start with telling time, shall we? First, we have AM and PM. AM means from midnight to noon, and PM means from noon to midnight. Each hour is made up of 60 minutes. Telling time. Here we have the hour hand. The hour hand is the smaller hand. You can count by 1 when looking at the hour hand. Next is the minute hand. The minute hand is the longer hand. You can count by 5s when looking at the minute hand. So in the middle, you can see a clock, and you can see one hand is slightly smaller than the other. The one that is smaller is called the hour hand, and it counts all the hours. The one that is longer is called the minute hand, and it counts all the minutes. Here we have two types of clocks. There is an analog clock, and there's a digital clock. For the digital clock, you don't need anything. All you need is just to see the clock, and then you can know what time it is. But for analog, you'll need to do a little bit of math in your brain for you to do it. Alright guys, now let's start with money. Here we have money value. There are bills, which is whole values of $1, $5, $10, $20, or $100. Then is quarters, which is worth 25 cents, or 1/4 of $1. Next, there is dimes, which is worth 10 cents, or it would be 1/10 of a dollar. There are also nickels, which is worth 0.05 cents, or just 5 cents in total, and it would be 1/20th of a dollar. And then pennies, which is worth 0.01 cents or 1 cent together, and it would be worth 100. It would be worth 1/100th of a dollar. Next, we have money value. 4/4 is equivalent to a dollar. 10 dimes is equivalent to a dollar. 20 nickels is equivalent to a dollar, and 100 pennies is equivalent to $1. Notice how every single measurement is equivalent to a different number of cents. 1/4 is 25 cents, 1 dime is 10 cents, a nickel is 5 cents, and a penny is 1 cent. Here we have practice. If you have 3 nickels, 2 dimes, and 7 pennies, how much money do you have? I will give you guys 5 seconds for you guys to solve this question, starting now. Okay, now the answer would be 32 cents. If you guys got that correct, please tell me in the comments below. Next, we have another question. If you find $2 bills, 3/4, and 2 pennies in your pocket, how much money do you have? Again, I'll give you guys 5 seconds to answer this question. If 5 seconds is too short, you can go ahead and pause the video. Did you guys say the answer was $2.77? If you guys said that, you guys are absolutely correct. Anyway, guys, that is all we have for today. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell to get more videos. Bye! We'll see you on the next episode!